Well, good morning, Bulldogs. We're quite a bit cooler than we were at this time yesterday. As you walk out the door, most places are approaching 10 degrees cooler than we were yesterday, and then off towards the north, you're more like 5 degrees cooler than we were this time yesterday, and we are quite a bit cooler. This morning, we started off quite cool with temperatures in the upper 40s in some places. Houston, Pontotoc, and Calhoun City, you saw temperatures dip into those 40s, while the rest of us only dipped into the low 50s, and low 50s is going to be the theme for temperatures the mornings coming up through the end of the week, into the weekend, and then even into the start of next week. We'll see temperatures in those low 50s bar for Sunday, which might get up into the upper 50s. Overall, though, just a lot of really pretty mornings in a row. And speaking of pretty weather, we've got a pretty day today. High of 81 here in Starkville. It is going to be a picturesque fall day. No clouds to talk of in the sky. It's just going to be wonderful out there with a nice cooling breeze from the north at 5 to 10 miles an hour. The reason we're getting that wind from the north and the reason it feels so good out there is because we've got this dry air parked over our region that was left by this front right here. It doesn't look like much of a front right here, but this boundary between the more saturated air and the drier air is what's left of that front. And then off towards the south, you can see what is now a very dangerous Hurricane Milton spinning just off the tip of the Yucatan, and it's expected to continue its trek on north towards the Florida Peninsula, eventually making landfall in between a Category 3 hurricane around Wednesday evening into Thursday very early in the morning, and that's going to bring some extreme rainfall for the Florida Peninsula. But if we look on towards the west, you see we don't have any rainfall expected in the next 5 days, and that's expected to continue into the middle and end of October. So overall, we've got a very pretty, nice, calm, quiet week with temperatures in the middle 80s and temperatures in the mornings in the low 50s.